We're here in Jefferson Parish today to support them with their Summer Bridge program, which helps kids transition from one school year to the other. So we're here engaging kids with the physics of sound. They're gonna create kazoos, they're gonna build cups out of telephones, out of cups, where they get to explore how the vibrations pass and create sound. And they're also gonna build a guitar and their own instruments. Our younger kids will build a guitar and our older kids will build a xylophone, where they get to explore science and create sound in different ways, and they'll be able to bring it home with them so they can explore the physics of sound. So kids will also be able to build a gummy bear wave machine where they'll be able to test how frequency and sound waves look. It allows them to visualize sound, so they'll be able to hit the gummy bear and be able to observe how a sound wave passes one molecule to another through vibrations to create sound.
All right, can everybody look up here real quick?
The kids love it. The kids love when we have some Nola come and do activities with them.
And what does that mean for this community?
Oh, it means a great deal because it gives them another perspective. It shows them another avenue of things that they can do, if they may be thinking about future career aspirations, just something beyond what they see every day right inside this neighborhood and this school. It shows them gives them like kind of an outside the box kind of thinking.